Time now for a Movers and Shakers segment, and let's start with the CNBC TV18 exclusive. In what could lead to the largest cement deal in the country, we learned that the JP Group is set to demerge its cement business, paving the way for a complete sale of the business valued at a whopping $3 billion. Kritika Saxena is standing by with details. Kritika?
Well, JP Group has been looking at consolidating its debt of over 54,000 crore rupees, has been selling assets across the board, and we already know that they've been talking to sell their cement business. But how will this work out? We understand that the entire 21 to 22 million ton capacity cement business, which is roughly valued at about $3 billion, is likely to be demerged from the JP Group. So what that means is that they'll demerge into a separate SPV and then look at selling it to the prospective buyers. Now, the bidders basically, which include, according to my sources, Ultratech, JSW, Siemens specifically, and KKR, that is a private equity player. The bigger bidders have been asking for clarity in the MMDR amendment bill, and which hasn't come in, which is expected to come in the budget session. But what we understand is that that will allow clarity on M&A deals, specifically if they are lenders induced. So we understand for now that the bidders will be submitting the final bids in February, and by March end, they're hoping to close the deal. But the demerger process will happen after a deal is signed. So what will happen is that if the MMDR bill goes through in the next 6 to 9 months, the demerger will be completed. So this is probably one of the largest consolidation if it goes through within the cement business. And if Ultratech does get it, Ultratech will become the largest player standalone by a huge margin within the sector. And Ultratech is the only player that has the financial muscle to get it. But for now, no major front runner yet. But yes, this is a $3 billion deal in the works for now.
Okay, Kritika, thanks so much for joining and giving us all those details. But Ultratech Cement as well.